Monday is my favorite time of year.
I'm gonna tell you what I really think I like about Mondays. Could it be like Saturdays, when you don't gotta go to work? Every day is a holiday. I wake up when I want to, I do anything I wanna do. Can't wait for Tuesday. I really never like Fridays. I can't do what I wanna do. So